Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share what we accomplished in our latest soap making class. This week we dived into the world of lip balm making and I can't wait to show you the process and the benefits of the ingredients we used. In today's class we made 2 different lip balm recipes. Here's what we used and how we did it. Recipe 1. We used cocoa butter, shea butter, beeswax, and vitamin E oil, and our fragrance oil. We used 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, half teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and 5 to 10 drops of any fragrance oil of choice. Begin by melting the beeswax, cocoa butter and shea butter in a double boiler. Once fully melted, remove from heat and add your vitamin E oil and then the essential oil or fragrance oil of choice. We experimented today with cherry, vanilla and papaya fragrance oils. When this is fully melted, pour the mixture into your lip balm tubes or tins and let it cool and harden. In our second recipe, we used 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And then we used half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And then of course any fragrance of choice. The only difference between the 2 recipes is that we had substituted coconut oil for shea butter in the first recipe. So as usual, you go ahead to melt the beeswax, the cocoa butter and your coconut oil together in a double boiler. And then when you take it off the heat, you drop your vitamin E oil and your essential oil or fragrance oils, and then you pour them in your lip balm container and wait for it to set. That's it, basically. So the benefits of the ingredients we used. The first one I'm going to talk about is cocoa butter. Cocoa butter moisturizes and soothes lips, providing a protective barrier. Shea butter. Shea butter is rich in vitamins and fatty acids. Shea butter nourishes and hydrates the skin. Beeswax. Beeswax acts as a natural emulsifier that helps the balm retain moisture. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it excellent for soothing irritated skin. Vitamin E oil is known for its antioxidant properties and it helps to prolong the shelf life of the lip balm and repairs skin. Now let's talk about the therapeutic benefits of lip balms. Lip balms not only protect and moisturize our lips, but also provides a calming effect due to the soothing fragrances. The act of applying lip balm can be a mindful practice that promotes relaxation and self-care. I'm going to go ahead to talk about the business side of lip balm. Creating lip balms can be a fantastic small business opportunity. Here are a few tips. Packaging. Use attractive, eco-friendly packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Consider customizable labels to add a personal touch. Pricing. Pricing for 5 ml tubes can range between £2 to £7 each, depending on the ingredients and packaging. Marketing. Sell at local markets, online shops like Etsy, or even collaborate with local stores. Use social media to showcase your products and reach a broader audience. Workshops. Offer lip balm making workshops to teach others this skill and promote your brand. We are preparing all these wonderful products for our annual red carpet event, which is on the 28th of September 2024 at the Janogly Hall, Sherwood Rise, New Bayswater in Nottingham. This fundraising event helps us continue our services to empower and reskill women in Nottingham. Next week marks the end of our current soap making session, and we will be on break for August. We resume our new classes on the 3rd of September, and if you're interested in joining, get in touch by sending us an email or giving us a call. Details are in the description below, or visit our website at www.skilledhandsorganization.org. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms for updates on our activities and events. Save the date for the 28th and join us in supporting these amazing women of Nottingham. And if you are around Asda Hyacinth Green tomorrow, stop by and say hi. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.